forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
Geminis, how are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soulstar. My new joiners, thank you so much for joining. My old joiners, I send you so much of love and light. Even to new joiners, thank you. Do like and subscribe. All my information is in the description box. Thank you guys for liking, supporting, and connecting with me on Twitter as well. Thank you. And let me just say that this is a general prosperity spread that we're doing today. So whichever dynamic this resonates in your career or in your love life, whichever way you can take the reading. Okay, essentially a prosperity message. So obviously focusing on career more. So let's see what is that message that Geminis need to see. My Geminis, what do you need to see? Show me the message to the highest because then we show me the message of Blueberry. What do we need to see? What do we need to see? You're resisting something. What is it? What are you resisting, my Geminis? Please tell me. What is that you are resisting? You just have to tell me. What is that you're resisting? Oh, something is like, yeah, like you're resisting, and it's human nature. We resist, right? We are not the sorts who say that, yeah, bring it on. See, it's not even like popping out. So of course you're resisting change. Okay, so we have a change in the wind. Ooh, so a lot of patterns, lot of changes are around. And 3 being the master number, your ancestors, your guides are really telling you that you cannot like hold on to it. You cannot resist change, Geminis. That's the message out loud for you. General prosperity, whatever you're holding on to, your work, always are working, always are doing certain things. Just ensure that they will not help you more because you will have to upgrade for some Geminis. Put your imagination to work big time. Let's see. Show me the tarot guidance we need to see for my Geminis. You'll have to kind of drop certain things. As I said, full moon in Aquarius is like about clearing it all out. Okay. For some, it's a big cycle which is closing. If you really wish to write, take it seriously for someone out there. Geminis. They're telling me stop. Show me the messages I need to see with my Geminis. And yes, someone told me that I haven't, sung a song in a while. Yeah, I have not, but that's how it is. It comes, it doesn't come, it doesn't come. So Gemini, let's see. What is this change that is coming your way and you're resisting in regard to work? Or whichever way this plays. Rough seas are always an opportunity to kind of, learn that, you have to go through this. 2 of Pentacles is the core energy which is playing. So 2 minds are fluctuating. Yeah, you're resisting something that you should not actually do that. And, yeah, you're resisting something. So let's see what else. Say the truth. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Do watch your sun, moon and rising for a clearer picture, right? So I'm going to explain this to you. So according to me, the one thing that you need to really see is that you cannot hold on to the old you. Transformation is here. And you have to work on your throat chakra, I think, for some. And you have to say things the way they are. Okay, stop thinking that I have to meet up to the expectation. I cannot say this to my boss, I cannot say this to my people, because this will not work for me, this will not pan out for me, and this will not be worthy. You can't continue doing that. Because see it as an opportunity for growth, right? If you say it, you'll see it as an opportunity for growth. The world, definitely. You are definitely resisting something very big, which is just waiting right the corner. 3, 3. Pay attention to the number 3, 3, 3, and the sinks. Your guides, your masters are sending you big messages that you're not taking in account. Nobody understands your heart better than you do. The Hanged Man. This reading screams resistance. Two of Pentacles, Piscean energy. Please. And we have 3 again. All will be great if you trust what is coming your way. And your heart is telling you. Get aligned with your intuition so that you can see things more clearly, more vividly. Two twos. Again, as I said, you want to, they're screaming out to you. Your angels, guides, mentors are screaming out to you, but you have this blindfold on. I don't know. I don't think so. I can't do it. It's not possible. It's very difficult. So you're not looking in the direction they're trying to take you through. You're just not looking in that direction. You have to bring that shift so that you can see and invite this in your life. The Lovers, that's freaking your energy as well. And we have, the 10 of Cups. Your emotional well-being really, is all this is about. And that shift in your thought process is what is going to bring about the change. So this reading for me is all about leaving no stone unturned to get out of this old cycle with the world. Okay, you have to do this because your spirit guides are consistently telling you, say your truth. Do not resist it. Do not stop yourself. If you have to tell your boss, your employer, that this doesn't work like this, please do not hesitate. Okay, maybe in regard to your work, if you're self-employed, make sure that you're taking the right decisions and you're not taking the decisions on any other ground. The guides are screaming out loud. You're getting the message of the sinks, but it's just that your mindset is not receptive because you're in the Two of Pentacles state. You don't know. You feel stuck in the moment in time, right? And with the change in wind, the idea is the same, that it's about letting go of that control, letting go of that weight, letting go of the way you plan certain things and you want to do certain things, in regard to your work as well, in regard to your relationships as well. Just know that you will be very satisfied. Because the Lovers, it's amazing. With the Lovers card, you will be very satisfied if you embrace the energy the right way, not with fear. I think the biggest fear is that if I do this, it will change my reality and it will not remain the same, isn't it? That is what they're advising you. That is what it's screaming, that the air will be clear and you would see things fresh and new again. And with the change in the wind, that is what the whole message is about. It's about shifting the winds. It's about saying that, whatever is changing, I am receiving it now. I am not going to question it anymore. And I will not use the magic lies. मैं बहुत smartly, sorry, I am an Asian, I am from India. So, having said that, you would not say that I can, lie about this and not let anyone know. People notice, okay? So, make sure that for your growth, for the mutual growth in regard to your career as well, in regard to any which way this is, screaming out to you, it will be very satisfying and fulfilling. And you'll be very happy by the end of it. So full moon in Aquarius, I think pay more attention to what you've been doing. Remove yourself from all the drama that did not serve you, the ways the people did not serve you. New moon manifest newer ways, newer understandings, and just get going. And you would invite amazing news in your life. Amazing responsibilities would be coming to you in regard to workspace also, that people will be more trusting towards you, right? And suddenly you will realize that, oh, you know what, this was so easy and I was just feeling stuck for no reason or rhyme. So trust. Okay, Gemini, so I'm going to close the reading with divine directions as to what is that one thing that we need to see. Angel guides with the chain and the wind. What is the divine direction that my Gemini need to see? Pay attention to the numbers 3, 3. Okay, ancestors guides are really talking and screaming. Too many. Signs. So true. Your ancestors, your guides are telling you, notice the signs they send you. Please notice the signs they're sending you. Could be through birds, animals, billboard, could be through anything that you are encountering, could be some song that you suddenly listen, could be some number on the bill that you see, on TV while watching something, listening to music, something comes around. Pay attention, okay? Pay attention to your signs, because your ancestors are telling you something big is about to come and you need to change it and you need to trust it. Okay, so I shall see you the next time, Geminis. Do like and subscribe, and I love you to eternity. Bye.